Welcome to JH. Dead zones are finally history, mostly because T-Mobile decided we can't be left alone with our thoughts even in the middle of the wilderness. They've launched T-Satellite, and it's changing everything about how your phone stays connected. Currently, over 500,000 square miles of America have zero cell coverage, which is twice the size of Texas or roughly the amount of space you'd need to actually escape your social obligations. Whether you're hiking, driving through a desert, or just hiding in a remote area, your phone usually becomes a very expensive paperweight. Until now, T-Mobile is utilizing over 650 Starlink satellites orbiting 200 miles above Earth at a casual 17,000 miles per hour. These satellites act like cell towers in space, but here's the actually impressive part. Your phone connects automatically. You don't need special apps, extra hardware, or to stand in a field pointing your phone at the sky like you're searching for a UFO. When you leave regular tower coverage, your device just switches to the SpaceX network on its own. It's almost too convenient, assuming you actually wanted to be reachable while lost in the woods. Most phones from the last 4 years are already compatible since the satellites use T-Mobile's regular 4G frequency. Your phone basically thinks it's talking to a normal tower that just happens to be moving at Mach 22. Right now, you can send texts, pictures, and share your location anywhere you can see the sky. Apps like Google Maps and X are already functional, with expanded data service launching in October and voice calls coming soon. The best part is that 911 messages work perfectly, and emergency alerts will broadcast to everyone in range, even if you aren't a T-Mobile customer. The service is live now across the continental U.S., Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and parts of Alaska. T-Mobile customers on certain plans get this for free, while everyone else, including the loyal Verizon and AT&T users, can add it for $10 a month. This is the first nationwide satellite-to-phone service that actually works on regular smartphones, meaning no more dead zones, and the terrifying reality that your boss can now reach you anywhere on the planet. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the update, and I'll see you in the next one.